paper, you will come across lots of words that you might not use in every maths lesson. One of the favourite ones to use quite often is calculate. And you'll get a question that says calculate 3 plus 5. And there's not necessarily an equal sign. But calculate means work out what 3 plus 5 would equal. So you can write your equal sign. If I calculate 3 plus 5, well, it's just 3 plus 5 is 8. Calculate just means work out the answer to the question. And just remember, there may not be an equal sign, but you can always write one in so that it looks more normal and more like what you're used to. On your SATs paper, you'll get lots of questions that are written as words rather than ordinary sums that we're used to seeing when we do some maths at school. So we need to get used to what the words mean. Now the paper you're doing is actually an addition paper, so it's easy to assume that all these words are to do with addition. So you need to just become familiar with them. Already we've learned that calculate just means work out the sum. Easy. If we see the word more, I have 3 eggs and then I buy 2 more. How many eggs do I buy? Whenever we've got more, we've got to be either adding or multiplying. Because if we take away or divide, we end up with less. So more should always start making you think about maybe I need to add or multiply. And we know that on this paper, we are adding. So more is one of the clues that we could use to find out if perhaps we should add. Add, obviously, just means add. Easy. Total. Find the total of 5 and 5. Well, the total of 5 and 5 is 5 and then another 5. And as you can see again, we're just adding. So total means add some numbers together and what you get. So another word that we use with addition. Sum. Find the sum. The sum is the answer that you get when you've added something together. So the sum of 3 plus 2 is 5. The sum of 3 and 2 is simply 3 plus 2 equals 5. Sum, more adding. All together. How many are there all together? Big clue that we should be adding. If you want to find something all together, you are finding a total. So it has to be addition. Find the sum. Well, that's just the same as sum. Sum is always addition. Sum means what do you get when you add this and this, or this and this. What is the sum total? What is the sum? And all of these phrases mean addition. So on your workbook with the questions numbered 2, there are lots of different ways of asking you to add some numbers together. Just get used to seeing how it can be written. What is 83 more than 78 is your first question. More than. So again, we're just adding. They're just different ways of saying add. Have a go at number 2.